welcome to October favorites. My goodness, where did the time goes? I know I've gained quite a few subscribers, so if you're new, welcome to my channel. I hope you're gonna enjoy my content. I do pretty much everything, a little bit of everything, and I recently even put up a little cooking video which was very spontaneous, so I hope you guys enjoy it. So let's get started. I'm gonna start with something very unusual. So this month, you guys, I discovered peach lemon flavored caffeine-free loose leaf herbal tea, and this is from the private selection. I hope you can find this somewhere in your local grocery store. I purchased mine in Kroger. This is how it looks like, you guys. It's pretty much, do you see those little parts of the lemon and peach, and oh, there's so much fragrance, you guys. This is like unbelievable, and it tastes heavenly. If you're a tea lover, you definitely need to try this. I know they had like many different flavors, but I particularly just went for this one because I don't know, just peach kind of spoke to me. Even though it's like October, November now, it's crazy. I love that so much, you guys. So if you know the private selection and if it's near you, go grab it because you're gonna love it. Alright, so the next item, you guys, which completely changed my life this month, it was this little thing. This is from the Revlon, and this is like a round brush dryer something. I don't know exactly how it's called. This is from the Revlon. It's amazing, you guys. So if you have if you do have a very short hair, it's not gonna work for you, but if you have like a medium length like I do, or even longer, you will love it. This is like something like, you know, like you get like this blow kind of thing in the salon, they blow your hair with the, you know, round brush, and your hair just has so much volume and you just look gorgeous. That's pretty much what it's gonna do. And so what I do when I wash my hair, I let it dry a little bit, and then when they kind of like, you know, still a little bit wet, I start working with this. I section my hair and I just go little by little. What I love about this is just the fact that the brush is so thick. Can you see how big it is, how thick it is? So even here when you hold it, that's a big brush, you guys. So it can grab like almost a half of your hair at the same time, and it's just gonna nicely, you know, curl your hair a little bit, and you just get like a nice volume. I absolutely love these things. This thing has a couple of settings, so it has a cool, low, and a medium. I usually go for the low. No, the cool, low, and the high. The high will be like very, very hot. You can literally like burn your hand. So just be careful. I always hold for this, you know, this part and this part. I got mine at the Ulta. They had like a sale in the beginning of the month, and that's what I got it, and I love it. I cannot recommend high enough. I'll link it down below for you guys. It's worth every single penny. Okay, the next thing I want to share with you, cup of cosmetic. Oh, one more thing from Ulta. This is gonna be very random, you guys. I got these cotton, what they call them, cotton tipped, dual cotton tipped applicators. I got them from Ulta, I believe before summer. When I was traveling to Poland, I took a couple with me. These are such a great for fixing your makeup. Like, let's see, I'll show you how it looks like. So it's double-sided. The tip, as you can see, is very kind of sharp looking, and it's perfect if you need to like clean up a little bit, you know, of your eye area, if there is something. It's just such a fine tip, you guys. It's perfect, and it's very firm. You know, it's not that it's just gonna spread around and just create like, it's a very high quality. That's what I'm trying to say. And the other side is more like a flat. Do you see this? So it's also great, you know, sometimes we'll touch our mascara or something, and you can just clean up so nicely. So I absolutely love these, you guys. Again, I got them at Ulta. I don't even remember how much was it, but I thought I'll share it with you. It says 75 of them. I'll try to find it and link it down below. These are just amazing. Everybody who wears makeup should have it because you can just fix so many things with those little tips, and they are such a high quality. Okay, let's move on. Couple of more cosmetic items, you guys. Last month I forgot to share with you, but I love this Beautyblender. I think it's called the Pocket. So there is like a Beautyblender sponge on one side, and there's a velour puff on the other. This thing, and there's like a little pocket so you can actually put your fingers and do a little touch up, and I love the shape of it so you can get directly under your eye. And then let's say if you want to spray, you know, with some kind of thermal water, you know, the other side, and you need to do some touch up on this side, you can just spray it and you can just press it down and just fix your makeup in an instant. This thing is amazing. I feel like everybody should have one in their collection. So yeah, I think the Sephora still has a sale, so you should run and grab it because this is amazing. You should just keep it in your handbag all the time. Perfect for touch-ups. Okay, you guys, the next thing that I think it should be on your list, and everybody who uses a Beautyblender should just go and buy it, is this Beautyblender Pro Cleaner. This solid pro cleaner, this, you guys, is amazing. It's, first of all, it's gonna last you for a lifetime. I apologize because mine is a little bit dirty, and I wash my Beautyblender every single time I use it, which means every single day. And I just cannot, you know, deal with a dirty Beautyblender over my, no, I just have to wash it. And you know, I always used to buy those little solids in those white pots. Just go for the big one, you guys. This one is truly amazing. It's gonna last you for months, and it cleans beauty blenders and your even your brushes, little applicators, whatever you have, in an instant. So yeah, again, if you're VIB, you can get it at the discount right now. Also, many times, you guys, Nordstrom will have this at 15% discount. I always recommend to check Nordstrom because they run sales like you never know. You just have to keep checking Nordstrom website. All right, another thing that I'm highly recommending for you guys, and I love it because I got it for my birthday, is actually the Rouge Coco lipstick in color 432 Cecile. There we go. And you guys, this is what I have on today. Such a beautiful lipstick. I think it's perfect for fall, for winter. It's not too pinky. It's not too, it's like a perfect, actually it's perfect nude. It's something between, you know, with a little hint of pink, but there's really not much pink. I absolutely love it, you guys. It's such a great lipstick, and it has a pretty good stain power. I have been wearing it a lot this month. Love it. Cecile number 432 is great. All right, and let's talk about the accessories, you guys. I was, again, crazy about my Chanel O case this month. This is such a beautiful SLG. I use it, I did a video about this, I use it mainly as my secondary wallet to just put extra cash, extra card in it. This is just so great. I cannot recommend this enough, you guys. I absolutely love it. I know there's some people get it and they don't really know how to use it for. You just need to find your own way, but it's just such a versatile piece. You can pretty much do whatever you want with this. And I absolutely love mine. I probably put it away for the winter. But if you have a good weather like today, why not? Right? I'm wearing bright colors. I'm having a yellow Chanel. It's perfect. The handbag that I've been using this month, you guys, is my Givenchy. What is it? Antigona? I don't really know how to pronounce it correctly, you guys. This is the bag that I've got 2 years ago. This is in a size small. This is such a beautiful bag. This is probably one of my top favorite bags. I absolutely love the leather, the craftsmanship, durability, and it just goes with everything. And I love the fact that it's navy, because I have, you know, it's like you don't want to go for the black, but it's still kind of, you know, kind of muted color. This is in a size small. Size medium would be almost like a luggage, so I don't really recommend size, you know, medium size. But this is just so beautiful. I love mine. I'm completely obsessed, you guys, for 2 years, and it's still going strong. The only thing that bothers me in this bag, you guys, is this little feature. Do you see how this little metal piece is sticking out in here? This really, like when you wear, you know, when you wear over your shoulder, it's really like digging into the side of my hand. This is just something that drives me completely nuts. So what I do, you guys, when I wear it, I always make sure that I turn it this way. So so the bag, you know, so it's not like digging into my hand. So you just need to, I just have to kind of remember to twist it, because otherwise I feel like it was just gonna like dig into my elbow. So this is the only negative things that I can, you know, tell about this bag. Other than that, this bag is just amazing. The last thing, you guys, very quickly, I cannot forget my Gucci sneakers. I absolutely love the shoes, you guys. I am so glad. As you can see, I use them quite a bit. I'm so glad that I've got them finally. Now that I have them, I want another pair, you know, with a different design. These are such a comfortable sneakers, you guys. If you are thinking on considering to get Gucci sneakers, go for it. I know it is quite an investment, but it's all leather, incredibly comfortable. You just have to size down one size, I think, because they pretty much run very big. But this is just so great, and I get so many compliments, you guys, for the shoes. And the only thing, again, that bothers me is just the way the shoelaces goes. I think I'm just gonna undo them and just tie them the normal way, because I don't know, can you see like the middle part kind of, I'll undo it here. See, like the middle part runs in here, and it's very hard to tie it. Then you end up tying it on the side. So I don't know, it does bothers me. It's hard to really like tie them all together nicely. So I think I'm just gonna undo it like I did with my runway sneakers from Louis Vuitton. I'm just gonna do it like a simple way, so it will be easier to wear. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. I cannot believe this is November. We are getting closer to Christmas. I'm so excited. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and click on the notification bell to not miss any of my videos. And I'll talk to you soon. Bye, guys.